It's common for fuel lines to harden and crack over time. If fuel is left sitting in the tool for long periods of time, it will cause the lines to harden faster. Cracked fuel lines lead to potentially dangerous fuel leaks. If your engine is leaking fuel, you should stop using it and fix the leak immediately. Replacing your engine's fuel lines is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover so I have easier access to the fuel lines. Now I'll note the location of the fuel lines and then remove them. Next, I'll remove the fuel tank from the engine. It's not entirely necessary to remove the fuel tank, but it's easy to do, and doing so makes it much easier to service the fuel line assembly. The tank is secured with just 3 bolts. I'll go ahead and remove them. Now I'll remove the fuel line assembly from the fuel tank. I'll use a small screwdriver to pry the grommet away from the tank. With the grommet removed, now I can replace the fuel line. First I'll remove the fuel filter and the clip. I'll pull the old fuel line away from the grommet. Now I can install the new fuel line. I'll apply a little bit of 2-cycle oil to the end of the line so it'll slide through the grommet easier. And I'll reinstall the fuel filter. I'll place the clip over the fuel line and hold it about 1/8 of an inch away from the end, and then I can install the filter. Now I can reinstall the fuel line assembly. I'll apply a little 2-cycle oil to the grommet so it slides into the tank easier. And I'll use a small screwdriver to help me insert the grommet into the tank. Now I can reinstall the fuel tank. Now I'll reconnect the fuel lines. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter and the air filter cover. And that's how easy it is to replace the fuel line on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.